Fun fact about a H22A, when having to replace the valve cover gasket, I had this nut spinning, and I figured it was the post. After taking the valve cover off, I realized that it's the threading on the top that the nut was screwing to. The post itself was fine. So upon further inspection, I had to redo almost every single one of these posts on the top and carefully do it with a tap and die set, and carefully have a rag around and get the shavings away so nothing fell in. And once you get all that figured out, then you can actually put this back on. Unfortunately, the nuts, you only see 3 nuts on there right now, and that's because all the other nuts had worn threads, if barely any threads to visually see inside of the nut. So, on to buying more parts, replacing all the nuts.